This video is for class 9 physics, and in this video we are discussing about the flotation of submarines and the flotation of fishes. This comes under the topic application of the principle of flotation. A submarine is a fish shaped watertight boat provided with several ballast or flotation tanks in its front and the rear parts as shown in the figure 5.13. Right, it shows a portion of submarine to explain its flotation. It is provided with the periscope so that the diver could see above the water surface even when the submarine is well inside the water. So here we are basically understanding its flotation, right, from the principle of flotation. So these are the rear and the front ballast tanks in which air can be pumped in and air can be pushed out also, right, with the help of piston. A submarine can be made to dive into the water or rise up to the surface of water as and when desired. If a submarine is to dive, its ballast tanks are filled with water so that the average density of submarine becomes greater than the density of sea water and the submarine dives into the water. If the submarine is to rise, water from the ballast tanks is forced out into the sea by allowing the compressed air to enter the tank. So here to explain this phenomena, right, if the submarine wants to go deep down inside the water, these particular tanks are filled with water, right, such that the density of this particular submarine becomes more and hence it descends down. But if that particular submarine wants to rise up, right, on the surface of water or just tries to go up, then what happens is this water is pushed out with the help of big compressed air, big compressor which will give compressed air from within and thus pushes the water out of this tank, okay, thus making it empty, right, and hence the average density of this particular submarine becomes less, hence it can rise up, right. So now I hope you have understood the flotation of this submarine, okay. So now I think we can go to the flotation of fishes. Like submarines, many species of fishes have an organ called swim bladder. There we had ballast tanks, here they are having swim bladder. It acts like the ballast or the flotation tank of the submarine. When fish has to rise up in water, it diffuses gas from its fluid into the bladder. So its volume increases and its average density decreases. This increases the volume of the water displaced by the body, hence the upthrust on the fish also increases, due to which it rises up. When the fish has to come down, it empties the bladder. Now the volume decreases. As the volume decreases, the upthrust also decreases, the average density of fish also increases. So its volume decreases, density increases. All this will result in lessening the upthrust on the fish and the fish can descend down in water. So I hope you have understood these two applications of flotation, right. This much for this video. Thank you so much.